You're good to go?
Cars going sideways on these corners.
Okay, let's try not to do that today.
That's a fast track.
Yeah, really good. Brief insight to the new Range Rover Sport on track.
Yeah.
We're going to go and do a little bit on the gravel.
On the gravel? Okay. What's the maximum laps that you take on this on the track?
Today,
Yeah?
we're doing exactly what we're doing now.
And the brakes don't overheat? Or?
No, it should be good. So why flat 12 then?
917 engine.
You love it, yeah?
Yeah. I love Porsches in general.
Yeah.
Is this the campsite?
Yeah.
But the main event is not here, right? It's close
No, it's
by? But
at the
people
house.
camp here, yeah?
Yeah. So we're going to go into the grass, gravel, snow fiction. Which obviously we can change many things with, but also from a ride height viewpoint, we go to our off-road.
Okay.
We go to off-road 1. We're not doing extreme off-roading, so we just go up a little bit.
Off-road 2 is higher?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this car is developed to give extremely good ride comfort on all surfaces, including gravel. As you can see, it's quite capable on a track.
Yeah.
It's incredibly capable off-road as well. It's got a Range Rover badge on it.
It's actually very comfortable here.
Yep. So how was last night? Did you see the Range Rover last night?
No, I've seen the Range Rover already.
Okay.
So we went to San Francisco.
Oh, nice.
Like in April, I think it was in
Yeah.
April. So we did a test drive there. We drove like for like 2 days.
So using the four-wheel steer function, you can really get yourself in some of the tight and twisties.
We did a test, so we have a small area.
Yeah.
And we had the new what's it called, the code 460 L460.
Range Rover.
Vogue, the Range Rover. And we were testing between the Range Rover and the Defender.
Okay.
We were testing the turning radius, and it shows, although the car is way bigger and it was a long wheelbase,
Yeah.
it could take a U-turn without even going reverse, and the Defender couldn't. The new Defender, not the old Defender, because the old Defender has a very bad
Yes.
turning radius. So it shows the difference. It's huge. So normally people that camp here, they don't go into the event, they just camp there and see the cars, right? Or
No, they can go to the. I'd say most of them would go to the Festival of Speed as well.
have you ever raced on the track
Yeah.
during revival?
No, not for a revival. No, just other events.
Like,
We did some Speed Week. Did you see Speed Week about 2 years ago?
in which cars?
F-Pace SVR.
F-Type.
F-Pace.
Okay, nice. F-Pace?
Yeah.
Was it an actual race?
Yeah. It's good.
Nice.
Cars are great. If we take the left, you can really feel how the car is just quite nimble through the low stuff.
Even in the bumps, I feel like the car is actually floating on top of the bumps.
The ride quality is superb. It's quite a challenging road surface, but
How is it on off-road too? So I remember the older car, when it's lifted at the maximum level, you used to hear a lot of the suspension sound because it's fully open.
Yep.
Does that do the same, or?
No, it's a lot more. There's refinement in terms of all the calibration and all the components on the car now. So you will hear the air suspension change its height, but you shouldn't hear it continually changing. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at the side slopes. So you'll be able to see what the car in front is doing. A bit closer if you want to.
Yeah, please.
If we go into our 4x4 information screen, you can see slight slope angles and the amount of wheel travel we're using.
So what does that? You lock the rear differential? And
It's all done automatically now, so but you can see when it is locking. So if that's hooked over, we could choose to lock them, but for the purposes of this. This car will happily drive over that.
So it started looking.
Yeah.
Ah.
So
So
you
it
can
shows
see when
you how much it's
yeah,
looking.
absolutely.
Okay.
You can see our different cameras to help us if we're in really tricky off-road conditions. See the wheels turn.
Yeah.
And I can't see what's down in that corner now. I can see where I need to be with the help of the camera.
It's really good for off-roading.